This is from Julia and Stanley. Whoa. Oh my goodness. Oh my word. Well, no wonder the box got beat up because it. I need to cut this. What on earth? Oh my goodness. It's stuck on that tape. Oh my goodness. You've been collecting this for 70 years. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Oh, it's overflowing. Oh my goodness. Look at all of this. Look at this picture, you guys. Oh. Oh my goodness. Oh my word. I don't believe it. Oh my word. This is incredible. Wonder what do these little tags indicate? Oh my goodness, it must have taken her. You've been doing this for 70 years? 70 months maybe. Oh my goodness. Oh, what is this? My lap's not big enough. But, I am sending these scrapbook supplies in case you want to add to the album. I hope you'll want to. Okay. Oh, yeah, all kinds of cute things, I'm sure. Oh my goodness, look at all this. Wow. Okay. Oh. If you be 75, can I be far behind? Tom. That's what the tags are. They're messages from my siblings. Oh my goodness. I'll spend the next month looking at this book. Oh my goodness. Whoa. This page is for Emily. She is mailing her card to you directly. I think I got an Easter card from her. Oh, there's Aunt Nita. Oh, wow. Oh, my goodness. Roy and Mary. Oh, look at Scott and Rebecca. I love you, Aunt Susie, a whole lot. Oh, my goodness. Oh, my wedding pictures. Wow. Oh my goodness. Sisterhood. Wow. Oh my word. Oh my goodness. This is amazing.
What does he have?
The candy.
The candy.
Oh, he got the candy that I left laying down here. Gizmo, that's my candy. Wow. This is awesome, Julia. Oh my goodness. Oh, look at this, a baseball page. Oh. Wow. Absolutely awesome. Awesome.